Hi, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I am bringing to you today an unboxing of the Traveler's Journal Kit from AmourFabriQues. She's on Etsy, and I will have her information linked below, which is a special offer that we received from I'm a Cool Mom on Etsy. It was a special deal because I am associated with I'm a Cool Mom with Jessica, and so she did a special deal for us, and this was a Traveler's Journal Kit. So I just wanted to go through it and thank Selena for sending it to me. I am a little behind. This was back in July. Like I said in another video, I'm a little bit behind. But anyway, for the kit, you could have chosen just the Reader's Digest cover, or you could get the whole Reader's Digest. And I just thought I would enjoy using the pages for something, so I went ahead and ordered the full book. And you can see the pages are really aged, and oh wow, there's a picture in there. So really cool. Just show you that. So this could be used for something else, not just the journal that I'm going to create that's for traveling. And this is dated, let's see, 1984, which is not that old, but it sure did age, so pretty cool. Anyway, it's Reader's Digest. So what all came with the kit? So you can see you got some little piece of fabric around the paper clip to protect the vintage like pages. And this is a map of Nashville from 1984 as well. And I remember this. So Exxon with the tiger. Isn't that cool? Okay. So then you also got a napkin and another map. This is of Norway, Sweden, and Denmark to use on your pages. And then on the other side you have Asia, which is cool. And then we have a book page. And this is a really cool postcard from Las Vegas, the Stardust Hotel. And a cool envelope. And it is got an 8-cent stamp on it, so that's been a while. And it's aged as well. Then here's a book with Africa, which is very cool. Looks like it's from a children's book or something. And then, oh, I love that ship. So we got some cool pages in here. I don't know what that is from. Maybe an astronaut? I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, I doubt it's an astronaut, so I don't know where that came from. Anyway, here's another map of South Carolina, a ledger page. Oh, this is cool. This is a dot matrix printer, and they used to feed them through on the little sides with the dots. So that's really cool. Index card, large index card, the Gate of Justice from a page in the book. That's orders for a waitress. And then some writing page, some music. This is cool. This is a British passenger car page, and then a locomotive from Baltimore. And then here are some stamps. There's actually stamps on here. These are from Great Britain. That's really cool. And then here's another one. And then a page from a child's book. Ooh, Santa Claus Comes to Gay Street. I haven't heard of that before. And then this is very cool. This is some Braille. And I have no idea what it says, but it's very, very cool. All right, real quickly, let's get into the bag. So just another quick little bit to go on your book. There's some little trinkets to work with here, some cool buttons, some embroidery floss, pretty color. Here's a little frame for the cover of your book, and some hardware, and to make a charm, and some stamps in there. and some tickets, some lace, some burlap, and some fabric. She gave you a lot here. Oh, I remember these. You used to get these, you could order like a library recipe. Oh, it's Better Homes and Garden. I remember those. There's some cool stamps for traveling. Look, it almost looks like Monopoly money, but it must go to a different game, and I'm not sure what game that is. Now this is from Careers. I remember that. Has anyone here ever played the game Careers? It's kind of like a life game or whatever. Anyway, comment below if you have. I love to read your comments. So here is a cool playing card from the Badlands National Park. This, I've never seen a card like this ever. Has anyone ever seen a card like this? That is very unusual. And then there's a circle die cut, some more playing cards. Very cool. San Antonio. This is State Life Insurance card. Then some journaling cards, another playing card. Enjoying books. The book plate. Oh, this is very cool. This is a postcard. I love the handwriting. My grandmother used to write like this from 1975, Clifton, Arizona. Eisenhower stamp. Oh, this is so cool. People saved their stuff and we get to see it. And then a flashcard for division. And that looks like a library card. Another soup recipe card. Oh, this is cool. This is what you use to put your coins in. So this would be $1 and pennies you would put in here and take to the bank. And then here is another piece of a map. Oh, that's Canada. And then an Eiffel Tower card with an envelope. And game score sheet, guest check card, and card about ruby-throated hummingbird. So anyway, that is the unboxing. Hope that you'll come back and watch some more. Until next time.